Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn hexadecimal to binary conversion and binary to hexadecimal conversion. Let's start a section 1 hexadecimal to binary conversion. Technique: convert each hexadecimal digit to a 4-bit equivalent binary representation. To understand this concept, we must have to understand one table, and that is showing in this display. There is a two column, one is for hexadecimal number and second one is for equivalent binary number. To remember this table, there is some technique. Let's take one technique. Remember weight of these digits. For binary representation, we have a 4-bit for each hexadecimal number. Starting from right, weight of this digit is a 1. Next one, weight of this digit is a 2. Weight of next one is 4. And the finally, next one, weight of this digit is a 4. Let's take one example to understand this concept. If we having the hexadecimal number is 6 and convert into binary number, it means 6 is a summation of 4 plus 2. It means 4 is weight and 2 is a weight. Remaining 8 is become 0 and 1 is become 0, so that hexadecimal number 6 is convert into a binary number is a 0 1 1 0. This one is the one technique to remember this table. Let's take another technique to remember this table. We having a hexadecimal number is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E F. So it is a total 16. So that a binary number is comes 8 times 0, 8 times 1, 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, again 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, and so on. To understand this concept, let's take one example. The number 10AF hexadecimal is what is a binary number? 10AF. Look into the table and convert this hexadecimal number into a binary number starting from right. F, and what is the binary number of F is 1111. A. Binary number of A is 1010. 0. Binary number of this is a 0000. And hexadecimal number 1 is converted into binary is a 0001. Finally, 10AF hexadecimal is equal to 10000101111 binary number. Let's move on to section 2, and that one is binary to hexadecimal conversion. Technique: from given fractional point, group bits in force to right and group bits force to left. If left with less than 4 bits at the end, then stop zeros to make it group of 4s. Convert to hexadecimal digit. Let's take one example to understand this concept. 101101.0111 binary is equal to what is hexadecimal number. First, put the point. Now, as per the technique, from the given fractional point, group bits in force to right. Force number we have to choose, and that one is 0 1 1 1. take this number here and group bits from to left. It means 1, 0, 1, 1. It is another group. Take this. Now it remains with 1 and 0. If left with less than 4 bits at the end, then stuff zeros to make it group of 4 so that it comes a 0 0 1 0. Now look into table and convert this binary number into hexadecimal number. For a 0 1 1 1 is converted into hexadecimal and that is a 7, and 1101 binary number is converted into hexadecimal and that is D. And next one 0010 binary number is converted into hexadecimal and that one is a 2. Finally 1011011 binary is equal to 2D.7 hexadecimal number. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe this channel and share this video to your friend. We will meet very soon with new video lecture. Take care, stay home, stay safe.